Hello friends, I'm Dashan Kumar Das. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shadow Bytes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install FFmpeg on Windows operating system. So without any further delay, let's begin. So to install FFmpeg on Windows operating system, at first open a browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google search bar, type FFmpeg, then press enter. Now here click on download FFmpeg, click on Windows icon. Now here click on Windows builds from gyan.dev. Now here click on FFmpeg git full.7z to download it. So now download in your preferred location. As I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. Now open file manager. So this is the full file. Now you need to extract it. Right click, then click on extract all, click on extract. Within few minutes it will be extracted. So it's extracted. Okay, now click on the folder, then click on the subfolder here. Now copy this folder, this downloaded unzipped folder to local disk C or C drive, you can say. Paste it here. It's pasted. Okay, so now click on bin. Here you can see the ffmpeg.exe file is here. Now copy this ffmpeg.exe file directory location from here. Control C copy. Now go to desktop, type Windows plus R to open this run command. Now type here systm.cpl. Press enter. Now here go to advanced, click on environment variables. Now select this path option, click on edit. Here click on new. Now here paste the directory location. Control V, paste it. Now click on OK. Click on OK again. OK. Now your installation is complete. To confirm that you have successfully installed, just open command prompt, type cmd, press enter. Here type FFmpeg, everything in small letter, press enter. As you can see that it is showing all these things. If it shows in this way, that means your file is successfully installed. So yeah, this is how you can install FFmpeg on your Windows operating system. So this is how you can install FFmpeg on your Windows operating system. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Like rate is only 50. Please help me to complete my target. And if you haven't subscribed my channel Shadow Bytes, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it. And on the bell icon, select all to watch my latest videos before anyone else. So once again, thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.